morning, children. In maths, we have started revision of data handling because in the live class I have seen that still some clue-based questions you are becoming confused. Some children, not all, but I think that let's take once again revision of this chapter so that all doubts can be clear. So, previously also we have done related to this clue-based strategy when it is given like clue-based question for finding out the actual number, then children are doing mistakes. So, first exercise also we have done. Now, this is the second exercise we have taken so that you can understand how to solve, how to find out the actual number and then solve the question answer, given question answer. Okay, so let us start. What is given here? Given pictogram. As you know, the pictogram means a table which where pictures, symbols, etc. are used. From that picture, that also with the help of clues, how to find out the actual number. Okay, so given pictogram shows the mode of transport used by students. Look at it and answer the following. First, we will see what is given. In some school, children have used for going to school this mode of transport, that is bus, car, bicycle, van. Now, if you see the smiley, this symbolizes bus, how many children are used. Here it is given, but what I said that we are using clues here. Keyword you have to see. Keyword is one smiley represents 3 students. That means if it is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7 children are not there. What we have to do? 1 means 3, 2 means 6. Like this, so if you multiply and get quick answer, you can solve quickly. Like here 7 smileys we can see, and 1 student stands for 3. So 7 students is equal to 7 into 3 is equal to 3 sevens are 21. That means by bus 21 students are coming to school. Okay, we can write roughly 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 threes are 21. So total 21 students of that school coming by bus. Same way car, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students here, that means 5 threes are 15. 15 students are coming in the school by car. Okay. Now bicycle, here 1, 2, 3 is given and one smiley stands for 3. So 3 threes are 9. 9 students come to school by bicycle. Okay. Van. Who are using van? How many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 threes are 18. 18 students are coming to school by van. So this way, this is the actual number. Why we are doing so? Because of less space, because of how to find the actual number. This type of exercise we are doing. If you do practice from now itself, in next class you don't have to face any difficulties. Okay? So now move on to, we are getting the actual picture. 21 students are coming by bus, 15 students are coming by car, 9 students are coming by bicycle, and 18 students are coming by van. Now questions given based on this pictogram. Yes, which mode of transport used by the student? Least means less. Here we can see the smiley picture. This is the less number. So you can see here this is 21, this is 15, this is 9, this is 18. So 9 is the less number. So which mode of transport used by the student list? That is bicycle. You write here bicycle. How many? That is also given. How many? 9. Here total student using bicycle are 9 students. Okay. Right here, 9 students. This way we have to find. Now take second one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 students. 6. So here we will write 6 students. Okay. 6 students. Clear? So this way you have to find out. How many more? How we will find out? 15 we have got. Here we got 9. How many more? 6 students more are used car for coming to school than bicycle. Okay? We can write there 66 more students. Okay? Here we will write 6 more students. That will be proper answer. 6 more students. More students. Clear? I have solved here how the 6 is coming. I have shown you here. Now, which mode of transport used most in number and how many? You can see most in number is 21. This is 15, 9, 18. 21 is more. So bus. So which mode of transport used by most in number? That is bus. How many? We have already found out here 21. 21 students. Okay. Now last one. How many transports students had used for coming to school? How many transport? 4 type of transport. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 type of transport. 4. Which are they? What are they or which are they? Bus, car, bicycle, van. We'll write here bus, car, bicycle, and van. These are the transport they have used for coming to school. So children, now I think it is clear how to find out the actual number with the help of given clues. And if you write here, then it will be easy for you to answer the given question. After answering, you have to rub the dot form. So then, it seems that you have understood and you have counted mentally. Okay? So please this time observe the video, do practice. Still, if you have facing any doubt, you can ask me in the live class. But before that, you have to do practice of your own in your maths notebook. Clear?